Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to unblock someone on Twitter. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Twitter app. Then on your top left corner you can see a profile icon or a person icon. Tap on it. There you can see the option of setting and support. Tap on setting and privacy, and then there you can see the option of privacy and safety. Tap on it. There you can see the option of mute and block. Tap on it. Again, here you can see the option of blocked account. There you can see I have blocked 3 accounts. I want to unblock Science Girl, so I'll tap on Science Girl. There you can see we have gone to its profile, so tap on block. On your right corner you can see it in bold red. Tap on it. There you go, you have successfully unblocked Science Girl. If you want, you can unblock other people from this page, whoever you want to unblock multiply. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.